Perfect. Perfect.
How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? I'm Flippin' Mike. Today on the Flippin' Mike Show, we are going to be working on the little baby four-wheeler plow. Alright, we broke a plow mount. Right here, see that little guy? It's supposed to look like this. This triangle piece, yeah. It's supposed to be attached. So, first things first, is we are going to get this started to weld back on here. I was plowing, and I hit a little rocky poo, and she broke her off, so we're going to see what we can do about getting that welded back on, grind it down, get it nice and shiny. Let's see if we can get that sucker welded up. Another note, we also broke the brake. Now this is the rear brake, and the cable snapped right in here. And before we did that, we also had broke the safety or neutral switch indicator. See how neutral switch lights up now? I had to tip the four-wheeler on its side, and it's right down in, oh god, you're probably not gonna be able to see that, but it's way down up in there. Oh, I just had to unscrew it and put the new wire attaching it because it got ripped out. But before, I could not start because I either had to hold the brake in or have it in neutral. I broke the brake, and I had no neutral, so woohoo! All sorts of fun. So let's get to work on this plow. Alright. Well, welded on. I'm not the best of a welder, but should be on there. Practice makes perfect, guys. She is welded. A little choppy, but it should hold. Alright, since I replaced the wire that runs down to the neutral sensor, I will be able to start this. I also have to redo the chains on the tires, so while that cools down, how about we redo the chains on these tires here? We got everything done. Chains on the tires, neutral switch fixed, plow back on, welded up. Let's see how she does. Test drive time. Well, folks, I think that'll do it for today's video. Thank you for coming along. Let me know down below. I always get my chains, they come loose, they slip off. So this one's starting to come off, so I'm gonna have to redo that one. This one, might want to tighten this one up again. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys do to keep your chains on your tires if you use a four-wheeler or riding lawnmower or something like that to plow. Alright, see you on the next video.